To avoid traps in the ACT math section, we want to make sure we're answering the specific question asked, and we want to take a look at the answer choices before we do any calculations because we can oftentimes get rid of some answer choices that look terribly wrong. We also want to look at answer choices that are all around the same value or all look very similar. There are going to be 1 to 3 trap answers that look really close to the correct answers. When you look at a group of them all together that look similar, so for example in this question, answer choices B, C, D, and E all look very similar. Those are most likely going to contain one right answer. There's only one right answer. Answer choice A looks completely wrong. It's what we call the oddball answer choice. Now for this particular question, not only are we going to be able to look at getting rid of the oddball and narrowing down answer choices, but also we're going to be using a really popular way to make percent questions easier. We're going to pick numbers. They don't tell us what the number is, and for percent questions, oftentimes we pick the number 100. The question says, a number is increased by 20%, and then the result is decreased by 10%. The final number is what percent of the original number? Now this contains a trap. If you were to just add 20 and then subtract 10, you'd get answer choice D. And that's where a lot of students get stuck. By picking numbers, you actually avoid that trap. So let's say our original number is 100. We add 20%. 20% in a decimal is 0.2. So we get 100 plus 20 equals 120. Now we have to decrease that by 10%. 10% of 120, multiply that by 0.1, is actually 12. So we get answer choice C, which was one of the ones that we were looking at before. We confirm our answer choice. We're correct. It says your answer is correct. This is the credited response. 108 over 100 is 108. So that's what we were talking about before, about picking the number 100 being a lot easier. So 108 is the number that we get. It's also the percentage. Because we picked the number 100 as our original number, we actually don't have to do that math, the 108 divided by 100. We have a written explanation here, and this is just one of over 1,600 questions we have at Crockett. So if you're not sure what your current ACT math skill is, you can actually, in less than 15 minutes, take a diagnostic and then get a projected score. From there, you can participate in group or solo practice, and you can customize a study plan so you know exactly what to study when. We hope to see you at Crockett soon.